Welcome to the top 5 Pine panel Easter eggs. In this video I'm going to be going through 5 different Easter eggs that we have built into our panel. These aren't necessarily Easter eggs, but more features that are a bit hidden that many users might not know about. All these features are totally custom and unique to us, so it's a good idea to watch this video to make sure that you found everything on our panel. We'll start off with the most obvious ones and then work our way to the most hidden features in our panel. Starting off at number 1, we have the context-aware help. Many of you might have noticed this question mark at the top right of the panel. This isn't just for giving you a panel overview, this is context aware. So when you click this, it'll show you whatever page you're on and it'll link you to a knowledge base article and a video that relates to whatever page you're on. Obviously I'm on the console page of the server, so that links to our console overview page. If we went to the schedules page, for example, and then clicked on this again, you'll see it links to our schedules tutorial. This is great if you're on a page that you don't fully understand and you want a bit more help. For example, the settings page has a lot of confusing settings. Click here, and here's our tutorial on the settings page. This is also unique to games, by the way, so if you're on a scheduled page and we have specific schedules for Rust, for example, it'll show you the scheduled tutorial for Rust, obviously. This means the tutorials aren't just limited to generic ones, they'll be specific to whatever game you're running. Next up, we have the Pine AI button. We have a whole video on this, but at the bottom right of every server, there's this little bug icon here. If you click this, this opens up Pine AI. Many users don't realize what this button does. This will scan your whole entire console and compare it to a database of common errors, and then suggest fixes and link to a knowledge base if it finds any. So all you have to do is click that, and then click Start Reading, and it'll scan your whole server. If there's any errors, it'll link to all those errors and give you easy fixes for them. And in number 3, while we're on the console page here, it is Clickable Graphs. Many users don't realize that you can actually click these graphs. That gives you a better view of your server usage. For example, if I wanted to have a look at my network usage, you can see here it gives us more in-depth stats, and we can watch the graph a lot easier. And heading to number 4, this is where they start to get a bit more hidden. It's under the Account tab. When we're in the Account tab, you'll see there is a section over here called Connect Discord. Once you go to Connect Discord, you can link your Discord account by clicking here or following the steps on the right if you want to manually do it. Once your Discord account's linked, this will actually automatically give you the client role in the Discord or the sub-user role, depending on what servers you have access to. And then it'll also automatically grant our support team access to your servers every time you open a ticket with us. This is what this button does, by the way. If we go back to our game server, you'll notice this headset icon. This allows you to manually grant access to the support team, but you'll notice when you open a ticket with a linked account, it'll automatically grant access to the support team. You can always revoke this access if you don't want them to, but they'll only use this if they need to assist you with some files. And then finally, while we're on the account page again, we have the Preferences tab. This is the most hidden feature. I honestly don't think many people know about this at all, but for the people that do, it's quite useful. We have a server bar option, a stop confirmation, and a kill confirmation. This will enable a bar across all pages. This feature only works on desktop, but it'll give you full control of your server no matter what page you're on. I'll show you that in a second. We also have stop confirmation, which is off by default, but I'll enable that, and kill confirmation, which is on by default. I'll explain what that is in a second. If we go back to our server, you'll notice now we have a server bar that shows at the top. This follows us across all of our server pages. So if you're making edits to a file, for example, you can restart your server directly from here. Then the stop and kill confirmation, all that does is adds a confirmation button if you want to stop the server. You can enable this if you have a very important server and want to make sure that you don't accidentally stop it while you're working on it. And obviously, if you want to turn them all off, you just head back to the accounts page, preferences, and you can set it back to default. I hope that shows off some of the cool features on our panel. Obviously, we keep adding these, so I'm sure you'll find more, and there'll be many more videos to come, but those 5 are probably the least known features that we have. As usual, if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us, and we'll be more than happy to assist.